Hi everybody. So we want to get to know every single person. So one of the assignments that we're going to be doing this week, starting today, is we're going to be doing our 15 fun facts. This is the 15 fun facts about Mrs. Hatch, and then you will do the 15 fun facts about you. So let me show you. We'll begin with the 15 fun facts about me. Okay, these are the 15 fun facts about Mrs. Hatch. Random fact number 1. I love to read and to write. Random fact number 2. I have just finished writing my first book. The title of it is Just Part of the Family. Someday I hope to get it published. And I'm currently writing my second book. It's going to be about vampires. Random fact number 3. My favorite series of books is The Wizard of Oz. Shocker, I know. There are 40 books in the series. I have not read all 40, but I own all 40. This is the first 16. Random fact number 4. I am the Witch of the West. See the resemblance? You never want to push me into becoming the Wicked Witch of the West. You have been warned. Random fact number 5. My favorite food is Lay's potato chips and dill pickles. Love them together. Best food ever. Random fact number 6. When I was 3 years old, I got really sick. In fact, they thought I was going to die. I had to have 3 surgeries to make me well again. And for a year after that, all I could eat was white rice. Random fact number 7. To this day, I hate white rice. Hate it, hate it, hate it. It's nasty. Unless it's covered in tomato juice. And spices. Random fact number 8. I absolutely cannot survive without chocolate. Chocolate of any kind. Love, love, love it. Random fact number 9. I don't like plain or peanut M&Ms. Yucky. I do, however, like Canadian Smarties. Random fact number 10. I also don't like peanut butter. My son tells me that his perfect world would have rivers that flow in peanut butter. And I tell him the only way that would work is if I was up above him and my river flowed with chocolate. So the only way I like peanut butter is unless it is covered with chocolate. So I love peanut butter M&Ms, and I love Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Bonus fact number 1. When I am driving, I like to notice the feeling of cars. So this car has mixed feelings. It's a sad car. See, here's its frown, and its eyes, and its nose. It's a happy car. Now it has a smile. And it's a grinning car. Here's the grin with an open mouth. You know it's contagious. At first my children thought I was weird. Now it's a game. Just out of the blue, one of them will say, "That's a happy car," or "That's an Oriental car. You should try it. It's fun." Now it's your turn. You are going to go to your Google page and click on the waffle. Goodness, I've been talking too much. Now you're going to click on the slide icon. Then you're going to open up a new slide presentation. And then you're going to title it 50 fun facts about me. Right here in the click to add title, you're going to write 50 fun facts about me. Then right here where the plus sign is, you're going to start adding your slides. There needs to be one fact on each slide. Now, you cannot say I hate anything unless on that same slide you tell us something you like. So if you say I hate the color black, you have to say, but my favorite color is whatever. So you cannot tell me a whole bunch of things you hate, because those are not positive things for our class. So you need to have things in here that are telling us fun facts about you, not negative facts about you. So if you put something in there that you hate, on that same slide you have to put something that you like in that same category. So have fun with this, add pictures, let us know all about yourself. And then we will be presenting these on Monday and Tuesday next week. All right, talk to you soon.